And automatically, when you tap it, your magic changed the Sharpie. Take a look.
No, bro.
What does it say?
3 o'clock, no!
What if the pen your spectator used to sign their card was also a secret miracle? Introducing magic markers, 4 professional pens hiding powerful revelations. The first phase sets them up for what's to come. Would you be impressed if your card was in your hand? Read the Sharpie. What does it say? Read it. Yeah, and you said you would be impressed if your card. In the second phase, magic starts happening in their hands. But guess what happens here? Give her the Sharpie. Guess what happens when you tap your 3 of clubs? Tap it.
Bro, no, stop!
Tap the club, and the club. Boop, boop, boop. And automatically,
Yeah?
look.
No, bro, no.
But wait. I don't want to do anything. But here's the crazy thing. It said your card. But what does it say now? Take a look.
No, bro.
What does it say?
3 o'clock, no! It says 3 o'clock, bro.
But if it says 3 of clubs there, what happens to your 9 of diamonds?
Oh my god!
You receive 1 pen that says your card and 3 pens that are boldly printed with playing cards. You already carry a Sharpie with you. Now, make it magical in their hands. The 3 of clubs is in your hands.
Bro.
Bro, what the? You're not limited to 1 reveal or to 1 spectator. With just 4 Sharpies, the possibilities are endless. With so many routines taught, you'll find something that's perfect for your skill level. Hand them a pen, let them sign, and reveal the miracle hiding in plain sight.
Wow!
This is Magic Markers from Murphy's Magic.
Yo, what? Well, how are you doing this?